And we have a great 15-year-old pool cage here. It's a great candidate for restoration. I'm going to show you why. As you can see, the paint's already starting to fade on it. The steel screws, they rust, they drip down, it gets chalky, gets on your hands. Screen is brittle, it's already tearing in a couple places on the roof. You can see it's blowing in the wind. About time for a rescreen, repaint, and fastener change out. We call that a restoration. Structural cables, those are all rusty too. Time to get rid of those. We come in, change all the screws, repaint it, and rescreen it. We'll show you what that looks like soon. Welcome back, Southwest Florida. It's Andrew with Gulf Coast Aluminum. Here we are in Naples. If you're looking to add value to your old pool cage, this is the way to do it. Our value restoration package, we replace every screw in the cage, all the metal to metal screws, all the metal to concrete screws, paint it with our DTM Tough Trim paint we get from Sherwin-Williams, and rescreen it with a fiberglass screen. This cage will be looking brand new for a fraction of the cost of replacement. Welcome back, Southwest Florida. Here we are in Naples, and as you can see, we're in a work in progress, one of our lifetime restorations. We painted the day before, today's screen day. We're putting in our polyester screen. It's about 3 times as strong as the standard stuff and lasts about twice as long. And then all the metal to metal connections, we've replaced this old rusty screws with our Nylotech fastener, and we painted with the nice, shiny, high solids polyurethane paint. It's going to be much longer lasting than what came with the cage. If you want to go through this process, give us a call, 239-935-8575.